Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22, and today I will show you how you can hide status and the navigation bars on the screenshot. So when you take a screenshot, normally you will get the notification and the notification bar and the navigation bar on the screenshot. But if you want to get rid of them, you have to go for the settings, find advanced features, go for the screenshots, and then find this option, hide status and the navigation bars. When you tap on this feature, this option will be enabled, and right now when you take a screenshot, I just locked my screen. When you take a screenshot and open it, as you can see, we don't have here any bars. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.